What's going on YouTube? It's your man King K back again with another video. Today I'm going to be basically talking about how to use your cell phone to make money. I'm all about turning everything into an asset, turning all liabilities into an asset, turning basically what you own or what you're using already to make money. Monetize everything. Basically, that is my motto. That is my logic. That is, what I like to do. And you should get on that wave too. And you should get to doing that. Basically, everything around you could be a source of generating income, right? So you got to figure out how you can use these things to generate income and go ahead and do it. There are a lot of people that make thousands and millions of dollars from just using their mobile phone to manage their businesses, to make money online. And you can be one of those people too. If you're not already making money with your cell phone, you're doing the phone business all wrong, okay? Like a lot of us go on contracts for 2 years to get a cell phone for over $1,000 and you're not making any money with the cell phone, or you spend $2,000 in Apple to buy a cell phone, but you're not making any money from the cell phone. And this is another way you can turn a liability to an asset, right? Buying a phone, that's okay, but you can write it off as a business expense to start a business. One way you can use your cell phone to make money is by signing up for a rideshare business or a courier business. Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. Signing up for these platforms can enable you to use your phone to make income. Use these apps to basically generate income, and you pay for your phone or you make money through your phone because you need your phone to operate these platforms. Another way you can use your phone to make money is investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency, right? Your phone is a great asset for this, right? Basically, you can use your phone to put money into your portfolio. You can use your phone to execute trades, buy coins, sell coins, buy stocks, sell stocks. And basically you can use this as a way of generating money. Another way you can use your phone to make money is by signing up for Airbnb. So if you have a property or if you're renting a place and you want to use it for Airbnb, you can list it up on your mobile device and you can start accepting Airbnb guests and managing your Airbnb platform through your mobile device. This is another thing that you can use your mobile phone to do to make money. The fourth thing that you can use your mobile phone to do to make money is basically signing up for a platform as a personal assistant. Basically, you could use your phone to set up appointments. You can use your phone to answer calls. You could use your phone to do basically everything you use your phone for, but as a service to another person, right? So that is another way that you can use your phone to make money. So if you're not already doing things to make your phone make you money, you're using your phone wrong. So the fifth thing that you can do to use your phone to make money is what you already do, but basically doing it on a bigger scale or doing it for other people, which includes social media, right? Growing your social media page, growing your TikTok, growing your Instagram, doing YouTube, making or recording videos for YouTube, which can earn you an income. I don't always record with a camera. I use my mobile device. So when I was buying this phone, I actually bought it because of the camera features, right? I wasn't just buying an expensive phone. I bought the phone because I knew that I was going to use it to record high quality videos that I could post on YouTube and I could post on Instagram, right? So it was an investment for me to be able to make money back from what I already do, but I needed a better equipment, which happened to be a phone. Start posting up videos, start making reels, start making TikTok videos, build a brand, and then use that brand to make money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found this video informative in any way, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.